Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and creating a short. This puts you directly into the editing flow. Once done, tap the Add Music icon to open the short's music library so you can preview tracks before committing. Use the search bar or the browse tabs, trending, genres, moods, to narrow options quickly. Make sure to listen to a 15-60-second clip to match your short's length. This first step gets you from idea to an actual audio candidate in seconds. Now you choose and customize the track for timing and impact. Preview the song, then set the exact start point or segment so the hook hits where your visuals do. Adjust audio volume relative to your original clip, trim duration to the short's length, and use beat matching by nudging the start time. Also check the licensing badge for reuse or remix permissions so you avoid muting or takedowns later. This targeted editing makes the music feel native to your short. Finish by exporting and reviewing the short fully to confirm audio-video sync and volume balance. Minor misalignments are easy to fix before upload. If the chosen track gets blocked or flagged during upload, replace it with a different segment or switch to a clearly labeled royalty-free option within the library. Make sure to save your original footage and the exact timestamps you used so you can re-edit without starting over. These final checks prevent surprises after publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.